A great camera is essential for capturing life's best moments, and DSLR cameras continue to dominate with their superior image quality, versatility, and performance. Whether you're a beginner exploring photography or a professional seeking high-resolution images and 4K video, DSLRs offer the perfect balance of control and creativity. With advanced autofocus, interchangeable lenses, and powerful sensors, these cameras excel in all lighting conditions. In this list, we'll explore the top 5 best DSLR cameras available today, considering their image quality, ease of use, features, and value for money. From budget-friendly options to high-end professional models, these selections are designed to help you find the perfect camera for your needs. Let's dive into the best DSLR cameras on the market. Number 1. Nikon D7200 DX Format DSLR. The Nikon D7200 is a powerful DX format DSLR designed for photographers who demand precision and versatility. Featuring a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor with X-Speed 4 image processing, it delivers stunning detail, vibrant colors, and exceptional low-light performance. The 51-point autofocus system ensures fast and accurate subject tracking, perfect for action shots and wildlife photography. With 6 frames per second continuous shooting, you can capture fast-moving moments effortlessly. The ISO range of 100 to 25,600 allows for impressive performance in various lighting conditions. Equipped with a 3.2-inch LCD screen, built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, and full HD 1080p video recording, the Nikon D7200 is an excellent choice for enthusiasts and professionals. Paired with an 18 to 140mm VR lens, it offers flexibility for landscapes, portraits, and telephoto shots. Number 2. Canon EOS 90D DSLR Camera. The Canon EOS 90D is a powerful DSLR designed for photographers and videographers seeking speed, precision, and advanced features. It boasts a 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor paired with the Digic 8 image processor, delivering stunning high-resolution images with excellent detail and dynamic range. The dual-pixel CMOS AF ensures fast and accurate autofocus, while 4K video recording with no crop allows for cinematic quality footage. Its 10 frames per second continuous shooting speed makes it perfect for capturing action shots. The 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD provides flexibility for creative compositions. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can easily share and transfer files. Whether you're into photography or videography, the EOS 90D offers exceptional performance in a compact, feature-packed body. Number 3. Nikon D3500 DX Format DSLR. The Nikon D3500 is a compact and user-friendly DSLR camera designed for beginners and enthusiasts. Featuring a 24.2 megapixel DX format sensor, it delivers sharp, high-resolution images with stunning clarity and color. Its X-Speed 4 image processor ensures fast performance and reduced noise, even in low-light conditions. The camera offers 11-point autofocus for accurate focusing and 5 frames per second continuous shooting to capture fast-moving subjects. With its guide mode, beginners can easily learn photography techniques, while the 1080p Full HD video recording adds creative versatility. The compact design makes it easy to carry, and the comfortable grip ensures steady handling. Ideal for those looking for a powerful, easy-to-use camera, the D3500 is a great choice for both new and experienced photographers. Number 4. Nikon D5600 DSLR. The Nikon D5600 is a powerful and versatile DSLR designed for photographers who want advanced features in a compact body. It boasts a 24.2 megapixel DX format CMOS sensor and X-Speed 4 image processor, delivering stunning image clarity, rich colors, and impressive detail. With an ISO range of 100 to 25,600, it performs exceptionally well in various lighting conditions. The 3.2-inch vari-angle touchscreen provides intuitive controls and creative shooting angles. 5 FPS continuous shooting ensures you capture fast-moving subjects with precision. This kit includes the AFP-DX Nikkor 18 to 55mm f3.5 to 5.6G VR for everyday photography, and the AFP-DX Nikkor 70 to 300mm f4.5 to 6.3G ED for telephoto shots. Deal for enthusiasts and content creators. The D5600 delivers high-quality photos and full HD videos effortlessly. Number 5. Nikon D7500 20.9 megapixel DSLR camera. The Nikon D7500 is a high-performance DSLR built for photographers who demand speed, precision, and versatility. Featuring a 20.9 megapixel DX format CMOS sensor and XP IA5 image processor, it delivers stunning image quality with vibrant colors and exceptional detail. With a wide ISO range of 100 to 51,200, it excels in low light conditions. The 8 frames per second continuous shooting ensures you never miss a moment, while the 51-point autofocus system provides fast and accurate subject tracking. The 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen allows for easy framing and menu navigation. This kit includes the AFS-DXNI KKOR 18 to 140 mm f3.5 to 5.6 GE DVR lens, perfect for a variety of shooting scenarios. Whether capturing landscapes, portraits, or action shots, the D75000 is a reliable choice for enthusiasts and professionals.